بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to you in your English class. As you all know that we daily start our class with alphabet poem. So are you ready? Yes. Okay, stand up and start the poem. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? ओके स्टूडेंट, उम्मीद है आपने बहुत इंजॉय किया होगा. ओके, टुडे इज आवर रीडिंग डे. टुडे इज आवर रीडिंग डे. ओके, टुडे वी विल रीड ई story and things. But before going toward the reading, we will revise the previous lessons. Okay, we will start from A. Look at this chart. Here, this is A. What is this? A. This is A. बच्चों मेरे साथ बोले. This is A and the sound A. Name A, sound A. Name A, sound A. What is this? This is B and the sound B. Name B, sound B. Name B, sound B. Okay, this is C. What is this? C. What is this? C and the sound K. C sound K. C sound K. Okay, what is this? D. What is this? D and the sound D. Name D, sound D. Name D, sound D. Name D, sound D. What is this? E. What is this? E. Name E, sound E. Name E, sound E. Name E, sound E. Okay, now we will repeat the formation. The formation of A is all the way round, up and down. The formation of B is top to bottom, up all the way round. The formation of C is round and round. Round and round. Okay. The formation of D is all the way round, up and down. All the way round, up and down. Formation of E is straight across all the way round. Straight across all the way round. Okay, now we will move toward the reading. Okay students, open your English book. Page number 14. Here we have different things. Oh, it's E and the sound E. Okay, आज हम सीखेंगे कि E साउंड से कौन कौन सी थिंग्स स्टार्ट होती हैं. ओके, एयर. What is this? Air. What is this? Air. Air. Air beginning sound is A. So it starts from A. Air. It starts from E. A. Air. Okay. What is this? Egg. What is this? Egg. Egg. बच्चों ये egg है. This is egg. The beginning sound of egg is A. मेरे साथ पढ़े ए egg e egg egg. Okay, now tell me what is this? Yes, this is elephant. 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 The beginning sound of elephant is elephant. बच्चों मेरे साथ बोले elephant. Okay, this is an engine. 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 The beginning sound of engine is engine. Engine. Okay. I. What is this? I. The beginning sound of I is I. I. Okay, this is elbow. 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 The beginning sound of elbow is elbow. Elbow. Okay, we will repeat once again. Air. Egg. Elephant. Engine. Eye. Elbow. Okay, students, now moving toward the story. Story of E. Story of E. E sound it's E and the sound Okay. Once Iman was coming back to home in her car. Once Iman was coming back to home in her car. Suddenly, its engine failed. Suddenly, its car engine failed. She repaired it by her elbow. She repaired it by her elbow. Elbow. As she was sitting in the car, she saw an elephant. She saw an elephant. Elephant. With small eyes. With small eyes. Small eyes and big ears. Big ears. Coming toward her. It holded an egg. It holded an egg. It holded an egg, and as it threw toward Iman, she is Iman. She entered in her car. She entered in her car and went away. Okay, now we will revise the story once again. Once Iman was coming back to home in her car. Who was coming back to home in her car? Iman was. She is Iman. She was coming back to home in her car. Suddenly, its engine failed. Suddenly, what happened to Iman? Yes, the car engine failed. She repaired it. Okay, what happened to her car? The engine failed. Her car engine failed. Okay, she repaired it by her elbow. How she repaired? By the help of her elbow. Elbow. Okay, as she was sitting in the car, she saw an elephant. Oh, what did she see? An elephant. She saw an elephant. Okay, with small eyes and big ears. Small eyes and big ears. Coming toward her. It holded an egg. What it holded? Yes, an egg. Okay, and as it threw toward Iman. She entered in her car and went away. Okay, students, now we will repeat the words with their sounds. Iman, Iman, engine, engine, elbow, elbow, air, air, elephant, elephant, eye, eye, egg, egg. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद है आपको स्टोरी पसंद आई होगी. ओके, नाउ इट्स होमवर्क टाइम. ओपन योर नोटबुक. यस, ओपन योर नोटबुक. ओके, here you will write day. What you will write? Day, homework, and date. You will write the date here. Draw the margin line. Letter E. Letter E. Okay students, आपने एग को ड्रॉ करना है और इसमें कलर करना है एंड यहाँ पर आप ई लिखेंगे. ओके, ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल राइट ई in mid two lines. We have 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4, but we will write E in mid 2 lines. Okay, straight across all the way round, straight across all the way round. बच्चों, आपने ऐसे ही अच्छा सा होमवर्क करना है और अपनी अच्छी सी वीडियो बनवाकर हमें व्हाट्सएप करनी है. ओके, दुआओं में याद रखें. हैव अ नाइस डे. अल्लाह हाफिज.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.